Hey everyone, welcome. Special welcome back to my subscribers and you new viewers. You guys should become subscribers. Today we're doing a fruit salad because that time of year we're getting close to spring, Easter and everything like that. We're going to start with making a simple syrup. This time I'm doing my simple syrup out of brown sugar. 1/2 cup already in the pot. We're also going to combine in some fresh citrus to make this. So you can see I just put my grater away. That's 1 orange and that's the orange culprit. But there's 4 that I'm going to juice because we want that juice as well. So cut them in half and juice them. If you don't have a juicer, you can certainly squeeze them to juice them. And you just collect it into some kind of dish. I'm using a Pyrex measuring cup. As soon as I get these done, we'll come right back. Alright, so I ended up with just shy of 3/4 of a cup out of those 4 oranges. I'm going to add that right into the brown sugar. In addition to that, I'm going to do about another 3/4, 1/2 cup, 3/4 of just regular water. I add that zest from the 1 orange. And then lastly, actually there's 2 lastlies. I'm not even going to measure this. I'm just going to do a splash. This is pure vanilla. And then this is mandarin oranges, 11-ounce can. And I'm just draining the juice out because we're going to use this in our fruit salad. Speaking of our fruit salad, I have 6-ounce containers of blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries, and now those oranges. In addition to those, I also have some strawberries that I will cut, and this is 3 bananas that have just been cut up. That's going to become our fruit salad. So what we're going to do with this is I'm going to turn it up, bring it up to a boil, stir it, and then I'm going to bring it down to a simmer for 5 minutes, and then we'll come back and it'll be a good simple syrup. Alright, so I've gone ahead and combined it. You can still see a bit of the pulp and the zest. And all I'm going to do is just strain this through and get that pulp and zest out. And then we gotta let that cool. About 5-10 minutes. I'm actually going to put this into the freezer to help it cool down. This is Pyrex, so it's going to be okay. If you get glass, be careful about taking the boiling hot liquid straight into the freezer. As you can see, I've gone ahead and added in those strawberries that I promised. And all I've done is just giving it a quick mix so that you get a nice serving of all the different fruits that are in there. This has been chilling in my freezer for a little bit just to get it cooled down. You can see that it's kind of frosted. And all we're going to do is just pour this right in. Now, you have 2 options. You can cover this and let that sugar kind of macerate in the fruit and help bring out the natural fruit juices, or you can serve as is. I've got some hungry kiddos sitting here waiting, so I'm just going to get a little bit of the juice, a little bit of the fruit, put it right into the bowl. And there you go. Now, if you want to keep it healthier, of course I did put some brown sugar in there, but otherwise this is pretty much just fruit. Serve it like that. Again, I got kiddos and they're kind of looking for a dessert after dinner, so I'm just going to give them a little. And that's it. Of course, you could go hog wild on the whipped cream if you wanted to make it even more unhealthy.
I like it. 2 thumbs up. This is yummy.
You know the drill. Give this a try. Feel free to substitute. Grapes would go well in here, watermelon, or any kind of melon would go nice in here, and maybe some kiwis or things like that. Otherwise, subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Check back for the next video, and as always,